Hey everybody, PourMan here, darkening your doorstep one more time. Before we get too far along, be sure to reach down and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of these amazing adventures. So today we're in Scottsdale and we are at Cooking Craft. My boy Jack over here, yeah, that'd be you, is the star of the show. He is going to make us a, what are you going to make?
A Spanish tonic.
Spanish tonic. Well, a Spanish tonic sounds like it's something that would cure something. So, cure me, baby. Rock and roll.
Okay. We're going to throw a grapefruit wheel in this glass right here. We're going to fill it up with ice. We are going to throw some juniper berries in there.
What kind of berries?
Juniper.
Ah, kind of like gin.
Mix with like some peppercorn.
So, right.
We're going to do some thyme.
So those are the berries that you make gin out of. Who knew?
That's right, man. You know your stuff. Some thyme there.
Well, it's a pretty setup.
It is pretty. Put this guy in there right there.
Look at that. It's a
Do
whole forest.
Little, Fever Tree tonic.
Cool.
Put this guy in there. About halfway.
Alright.
There we go. And then we're gonna top it off with
Oh, the
Empress
Empress
gin.
gin. Oh, this is gonna be beautiful.
So that's like an ounce and a half of that guy.
Uh-huh.
And we are going to just layer that bad boy on top.
Love it. Yeah, that's right. That's beautiful.
And that's it. And just throw a straw in there.
Really?
Ba-bam.
You know, so this is a Spanish tonic. So I will say that this is a beautiful drink. There's just one problem with this drink. And those of you who know the show, I have a that's going to happen soon enough.
Okay, just making sure.
So one of PourMan's rules is I always have to have at least 2 ounces of active ingredient in my drink. But I'm going to go ahead and try this anyway. Look at that. Is that beautiful or what? Grapefruit first. Fruit forward.
Great.
Move this little sequoia out of the way. And yeah, that is good work, my friend.
Right.
So, next time you're in Scottsdale, you better hit Cook and Craft and have Jack make you one of these bad boys. To get the recipe, PourManMike.com. And push this button right over here. You'll instantly become a PourManian, which gives you a head-of-the-line speed pass for each and every new PourMan adventure and all that other cool stuff. So, until next time, pour well, pour often, PourMan. See you around.